Hello, everyone. My name is Chang. I'm from Zhong Enterprise, Taiwan. And here's my coworker, Mr. Lucas Hanslight. And we're here now to present Zhong Smart Display System. It's total solutions for science, art, and display. So with 27 years of experience of mechanical design and hardware precision parts manufacturing, we have been supplying customers worldwide for the cable and rod systems, glass sliding door systems, and the rollers, and the precision parts customization. Zhong Smart Display Systems provides all the sign and display demands, including commercial space design and exhibition booth design and interior design. So we not only provide the light box and frames, we also provide the total solutions for all the sign and display demands. And 13 years ago, we've been supplying OEM and ODM, the German, well-known German sign and display companies. So we know all the market's demands. And that's why the Zhong Smart Display Systems can be providing a leading smart display systems in the world. So with the sophisticated mechanical experience in hardwares and precision parts, and with innovation and designing, easy and quick installations, Zhong provides the strength to all the customers' sign display demands. So here's a couple of our patented design of our products. The first one is our patented quick corner connectors. This is a revolutionary design which provides users a very easy and quick installation experiences. And not only that, when the print is a little bigger, as you can see right here, we can extend the frame a little bit to match the prints if it is print bigger. So, and with this gap here, we have the plastic end cap to cover it. So it looks nice, and you won't need to reprint, and saves time to match your customer's deadline. So here's our German patent certificate. So we're not only covering the German area, but also worldwide, including the US and China, Japan, Taiwan. And here's our another patented design, which is the LED light box. So as you can see from this photo right here, we have the power cords built in the profile. And this revolutionary design provides no problem with the power, with the voltage drop if you have a big light box. And you don't need to connect each LED strip one by one, which saves a lot of works and not complicated wirings on our LED light box. And it's also low power consumption, so all the LED strip simultaneously get the power consumption. So as you can see here, Zhong has a very unique round corner connector. So it's also using our quick connector technology. So you can have two choices for your regular frame or light boxes, which is the round corner or the straight corner. As you can see, the maximum height for the LED illumination, because we're using the side lit technology. So we only put the LED strip on the top and bottom for maximum 3 meters. So here's also our certificates of all the patent and the CE certificate. even the FCC certificate. And another revolutionary design is our outdoor Majestia banner lift system, which is the the point is it's very easy and quick to change the graphic from the ground, so you don't need the crane or the steeple jack works to change the banner, which saves you a lot of time and cost on the labors. And it is also low transport cost and high wind resistant because all our hooks on the top and bottom part got springs. So it's very tensioning. So as you can see, here's an example here in Taiwan. It's a 20 meter by 7 meter. And as you can see, it's very flat because it's tensioning with our design. And it can be changed easily by 2 persons in 20 minutes. So we're probably to say we're the leading banner lift system provider in the world because Škoda Auto has chosen our system to be their communication wall project, and which is for their corporate image implementing to all their dealerships worldwide. So here, as you can see, it's very flat, and because it's tensioning, and it's very easy for them to change the graphic overnight. And they don't have to close down the shops or hire somebody outside to change the graphic because it's so easy. Even their staffs, when they close the stores, they can just change it in 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So every time the new car launching, they change the image by themselves. So we have another design for this system, which is the removable winch system. So it means when you change the graphic, when the graphic is already set, you don't need to put the winch on. You can just remove it to the next system. So say if you have 10 systems, you just need only one winch. So you can move to the other and change another one. So it also comes with a box, as you can see here. It's very easy to understand with the attachment guns, which you need to unhook to change the banner. Yeah, so you can see here is the steps to move the winch. So you can see you just take off the hook, and then there's a cable attached to the fixture, and then you can just take it out, and then winch the banner down, and then change the banner, and then winch up. So here's another example in New Zealand. We have been installed for our clients, and it's very easy for them to understand to change the banner. This is 3.6 meter by 12 meter height. So we also can provide a freestanding banner lift system, not only for wall mounted but also for freestanding. So it's the same system, but without easy truss system to apply to it. So you can see here, these are the freestanding banner lift system. So you can also lift down the banner and change it on the ground. And here's another example for the real estate property in Taiwan. So you can see, it looks very nice because it's so flat. So this is also our patented design, and it's also registered here in German area. So now I'll let my coworker, Mr. Hensley, to take over.
Yeah, thank you. So I would like to walk you through a couple of more examples of how our system can be applied. We start with the LED light box suspension display. How can I go on here?
Yeah, right hand. No, right.
All right, okay.
No, right. Here. Forward.
Doesn't go.
Forward.
All right, okay. All right. So here you see a project for HP, for Expo Taiwan, where you see basically the box system made in the round shape, where you see our profiles, where you see light box system, all combined in one big booth. Here you see the very simple example of the double-side round corner LED lit system. And now we see the freestanding display application. So here you see the shape that is currently very high demand with the iPhone, with the smartphone style, but which also looks very good in any other type of setting or any other type of setup. Here you see a project for Sennheiser, the double-sided freestanding version, and here the background for the stage. Now the wall-mounted display. Here you see a very typical example because our system is very sought after by luxury brands because of the high precision. So here you see Prada store in Taipei 101 tower, which use the system here, and in the lower part to display their high quality photo prints. Here you see again a combination of both the shop fitting system, light box system, and wall cover system, which you don't see here, the wall cover system, but next slides for and light box of course, for Under Armour in Taiwan, who fit several stores with this combination and different types of combinations that we see later. Again, light box application for Armani store, all LED lit, all absolutely no shadows, absolutely even distribution of light. And here you see examples from the Aeon office, which is once a big light box in the corridor, and here a couple of smaller light boxes with special shapes to show the possibilities. Here you see again light boxes with different shapes, bent profiles, all lit in from round to honeycomb structure to leaf structure to the sharp edges to round edges, just to show the possibilities. And now we come to the application of our design for exhibition booth design, which you of course can also enjoy, and you're very welcome to visit us here in Hall 7 at 120, which is just 10 meters from here. And we're very proud to say that all of our exhibition booths are designed 100% by our own system. There's no part which is any other producer or any other manufacturer. It's from top to the bottom our system, from the profiles to the prints to the connectors, everything. Here you see the booth. We had an Expo Taiwan, and where we win the Expo Green Award because it's absolutely super efficient to set up, to store, and it's 100% reusable. Again, different combination here with the leaves. That is Expo 2013 in Taiwan. Here is a Japan shop. Again, a little bit lighter setup with much air, but you see the same thing. Everything, even up to the TV or the counter or the cubes, everything Aeon display system. This is a booth from SGI Dubai show, where you see here in our own stand, a little bit modified. And this is the one from Global Shop in Las Vegas, where was the focus on the round corners in different setups. Also here, you see the banner lift system, in this case not on the wall or wall mounted, but freestanding in a bigger iPhone shape. Here you see the winch and the profiles, and that's another example for a booth. And now a little bit more for commercial space design. This is Aston Martin in Taiwan, where you see the wall cover system and Aegon frame, of course. Louis Vuitton Aegon frame in the Louis Vuitton box, light box, of course, lighted. Again, luxury brand La Mer in Taiwan. Lit wall cover system with round corner. Commercial space design, this is our own office showing applications. Here our history. Again, more shapes. Here you see our cube system, which is often used to complement structures in the ground, for example, to hang, like you see here in many instances in the fair. We have, of course, it's also done with our quick connectors, so it's very easy to set up, no tools needed, no screws needed. And you can easily fit it from both sides. This is just one side, but you can also display each side, inside, outside, very easy. Here you see counters, our profiles. Here you see it more in a type of gallery application. Very beautiful with fine art prints in any size possible. Here you see the combination of our wall cover system combined with a couple of movable parts, so it becomes a sliding door system, which is also in our office in Taipei. You see that it can move very easily, and you can cover large spaces and brand them or put any print you want. No problem to build doors or any parts. Here you see our conference room. It's a glass table with a light box beneath. It's a light box in the ceiling. It's light box applications in the sides. The whole sides are covered with wall cover system, and the table is done with our own system. So basically the whole room is fitted with Aegon system. In that case, maybe except for the chairs, is all done with our own system, the whole office. Here you see a little bit in detail the sharp fitting system, for example, used by Under Armour. The wall cover system. We have a very nice technology to connect the sides inside, outside, to do all corners we want. That means we are able to cover any type of shape in any room possible. Yeah. Uh-huh.
So you can see with our wall cover system, you increase the dimension of the prints. So it means more and more prints will be needed in the market by using our system. And that also means the printing company will be happy because they can print more prints for their customers. And also the ink and the printer will be also happy because more and more printers and more ink will be needed in the market. So by using Aegon system, you can see as a supplying chain, everybody is happy because you just use more and more prints.
So now to finish, this is another application of our system. As I said, the full office in Taiwan has been redesigned in Aegon system. You see, we're using it for the in the other example for the conference table. Here it's for the desk, it's for the co-working space. Even in the ceiling, you see the light boxes spend the indirect light. Here you see the double blind folding system to cover the view outside the building. And and here you see the big type sliding door covering all the shelves. Again, here the double side blind system, the front door, the desks. And now I think you want to tell a little bit.
So a few days ago, we went to the 24-hour race in Nürburgring, and we're proud to say there's an Ajong logo on this race car right here, and it's with our partner in with Walters Visual Communication. So you can also see the helmet is with the Ajong logo. Yeah, here's a couple of photos, and it was a very exciting race, by the way. So we want to welcome you to come here, and it is our honor to present our products here. And please come by our booth, and you can see more products. Thank you. There's a video I want to play for you. It's about our new office and showroom. Here's a couple of product installation videos so you can get better idea of our products. This is our quick connectors. So as you can see, it's very easy to assemble. So just by clicking it. This is for the suspension. And also attached to the wall by our quick connector, as you can see here. And this is for the wall mounted. This is our Husky frame system. It's also a tensioning system. This is our lofty freestanding banner lift system with our own truss design. So it can be not only double-sided, it can be also three-sided and more-sided if you need it. So it depends on the customer's demands. So we're specializing in customization for all the demands. So this is a double-sided application. Here's our Aluminium system, which is the LED light box. Of course, with our quick connectors. So you can see the power cord is built in the profile. So there's no complicated wiring. And to also prevent the voltage drop problem, because each LED strip consumes the power simultaneously. Sorry for the technical problem. The video is not running smoothly for some reason. And the last one is our Majestia system, which is the wall-mounted banner lift system. It saves a lot of time and labor cost, because you can just only change this graphic by 2 persons easily in 20 minutes. And this is a video of our new office and showroom. So as you can see, it's all covered by our system on the wall. So like I mentioned, the concept I mentioned earlier, it's a concept of a win-win situation for everyone in this industry by using our system, because more prints will be needed, and more printers will be needed, more ink will be needed. You slide with the sliding door open, and inside is our shop fitting system. So you can see on the ceiling and the light box and the partition and the wall system, everything is by Chang. We built this by ourselves. This is a double-sided blind. And this is our commercial space design department. So we always do the 3D rendering for customers' approval first. This is a little art gallery feeling of this application, and you slide with the sliding door system. Our conference room with the light box underneath the glass. So you see, this is a modular system. Everything is toolless. You can only operate by hands. Very easy and quick installation. Factory with the CNC cutting machine, so we cut all the profiles precisely in any angle. And this is our profile stocks and assembling line. So Ajang is specialized in customization. So any shape, any possibility. Thank you very much for coming. Please come by to our booth. We're at hall 7, M120. Thank you very much.